Hi, my name is Jacob Orenberg and I'm with Seattle City Light. Today we're going to show you how to use one of our new Curbside Level 2 electric vehicle charging stations. These chargers will provide your electric vehicle with 9.6 kilowatts. That's enough power to give you about 30 miles of range per hour of charge time. To activate one of these chargers, you have three options. The easiest and the most common is to use your cell phone app. You can either find the charger in your cell phone app's map and select that charger. You can also scan the QR code or enter the station ID. Your other option is to tap to pay with a Shell Recharge RFID card. And the third option to pay by credit card is to call the 1-800 number listed on the charger. For this, I'm going to go ahead and scan the QR code and click Start Charge. And if you give that a few seconds, the charger will communicate with the back-end provider, the payment processing provider. And you'll see that the cable only extends about 2 feet. To extend the cable more, you just have to press the button on the top of the connector, and the cable will continue to extend up to 21 feet to reach any port on your vehicle. When you finish with your charge, all you have to do is unplug the vehicle, and the cord will automatically retract back into the charger.